Welcome to 427 Eugenie. Hi, I'm Matthew Nicolas from Matthew Nicolas and Associates, and today we're going to give you a tour of this unbelievable 1.5 story in St. Boniface. We absolutely love showing this house. The owners have done a bunch of renovations like refinishing the hardwood floors and lots of great touches throughout that we're going to show you. Come on in, let's go take a look. Upon entering the kitchen, you're going to notice lots of great touches like the subway tile backsplash, a gas cooktop, and a newer gas stove. We also love the butcher block countertop. Another great thing about this house is it does have a formal dining room with 2 patio doors that exits onto a deck, which is a perfect place for a hot tub. To round out the main floor, we have this great bedroom, which is a wonderful size for the era of construction. It can be used for an office as well. We have this really cute main bathroom where they've done some great renovations of updating the vanity and sink and the acrylic surrounded on the tub. The upstairs of this house is one of my favorite parts of the home. It's really a little retreat up here. It's got a great size, so you can fit a bed, a seating area, and you still have tons of room for storage. This basement is absolutely over the top. It was professionally renovated 2 years ago. They added an egress window, a washroom, and this great cabinet set. I hope you enjoyed this video tour. There's still some great little details to come check out in person. So if you're thinking about buying this home, please reach out to us. Shoot us a call, send us a DM. And again, that's Matthew Nicolas of Matthew Nicolas and Associates. Thank you so much for joining us.